Hi, I'm Charlotte Lawson, a registered licensed dietitian here in Tampa Bay, Florida. And I have a couple tips for you on how to eat healthy. First, you're probably going to want to look at some guidelines like the mypyramid.gov. This is an outline of how you should be eating each day. Secondly, you're going to want healthy foods because the food guide pyramid contains plenty of these things. And thirdly, a good appetite because if you're not hungry, you're not eating. So check out my food guide pyramid. There's 5 food groups: your grains, your fruits, your vegetables, your dairy products, and your lean meats. This is the basis of any well-rounded diet. And keeping variety really is what's key. Moderation is also very important because every now and then we get that sweet tooth craving, and it's okay to give in as long as we're looking at how much we're eating and how often we're eating of that sweet tooth food. Healthy fruits and vegetables and whole grains are the compass of really what the basis of our diet should be. Again, that variety is really what's key. So those healthy foods, you might want to open your mind and try something that you haven't tried before. Maybe you used to hate spinach, but if you haven't tried it in a long time, you might actually love it now. And thirdly, a good appetite. Try to get about 6 small meals a day. This keeps your metabolism revved and helps you avoid those cravings for the bad foods. So have that good appetite for those healthy foods. Try to eat foods high in fiber and less processed if possible, meaning more in their natural form. Well, those are just a couple tips on how to eat healthy. I'm Charlotte, and eat happy.